Hello everyone. So it's been a while. Been busy studying, working, and life. So it's a sunny 2nd of February. The wind is blowing, and I'm on my way to go and write an exam, which I'm not really looking forward to. Yes, I have prepared the last 2 weeks. I've really studied hard. Still a bit concerned. I might not pass the exam. And it's been a while since I've been on the Duke. Took out the CBX again this weekend just to my sister's house. Short little trip, say hi. And I'm actually on my way to my previous workplace to write this exam, so hopefully I'll be able to catch up with a few guys that I used to work with. Hello? So yeah, it's been a while, and I apologize for that. I was very lazy taking the bike out, and I got rained on twice this year, and my rain suit's not waterproof anymore. I think it just put me off a little bit getting home, and it's friggin' cold. The first time I got home, soaking wet, huge storm. I'll put some footage up from that ride home. Actually looked very cool because I could see it in the distance, all the thunder and lightning, and I thought I'm gonna miss it. And needless to say, it hit me square in the face. So I was very, very wet and cold, and I thought, hey, that's okay. I'll get home, switch on the geyser, have a nice hot bath or shower, and as I walk into the house, we had a power outage. So it was a pretty miserable day, but all good and fun. Actually enjoyed it because this little KTM Duke 390 did seriously well in the rain. Keep the speed limit here because I was almost locked up for speeding here a few years ago with my car, and it's not exactly the safest of roads. It's Williefontein Road. A lot of people don't seem to stop at the red lights and stop streets. And animals around, dogs, and I've seen some donkeys and horses on this road before. Yeah, so I started my arse off. Let's hope I can get this exam under the belt. I've got another qualification. Then I've got about 4 more exams I need to do for work. And then there's 2 extra ones I want to do for myself. And then maybe a few more this time, but yeah, it's quite a lot to ask for 1 year. Also, when you're very busy with projects and work and a lot going on. Nice and green here. Yeah, man, haven't been on this road for a while. Just up here at this road, but I had an accident a few years ago. My car, as I was driving down here on my way to work, guy decided he's gonna skip the red light, and I hit him on the back corner of his car. I tried to avoid it. I was actually, if you see that robot there used to be a sign next to it. Actually took out the sign and the car's backside. Ended up on this little island here. Yeah, about 50,000 rands worth of damage on the car. But the car's back and all good. What's these cones now? Not sure what these cones are for. Looks like don't know if they're painting and I'm just shocked. Shit, am I driven over wet paint? I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I can smell wet paint, so I might have wet paint on my... Ooh, we have to go left here. Give a bit more warning there, buddy. Ah, there's the car, it's busy painting the road. It's actually nice that they're painting this road, because for a long time there weren't any stripes. You can see the stripes. I was painting. How's it? You can see some of it, yeah. It's good they're painting again, especially at night when you're driving on this road. You don't really see the markings and stuff. But anyway, let me get my backside to the exam. Try and ace it. I'm not going to promise anything. I'm confident, but yet I'm not that confident. Because there's some technologies in the exam that I don't really work with as much. And some of them I don't work with at all. But I've studied them. I've got a better understanding of what the hell's going on there. So we'll see what happens. So yeah, this is me, and here's the Afrikaans word. Nah, let's leave the Afrikaans word for the ride home. I might be happy, I might be sad. I'll let you know soon. Well, I'm back, and as you can hear, I passed my exam just, but I passed it. Haha. And it was good to see some of my old colleagues. It was really good to see some of them. Oh, all of them, not some of them. By some I mean I didn't see everyone. I was hoping to see today, but it was lekker. It was good. Passed the exam. So old friends, colleagues. You know, life gets so busy, especially with work, and I think it's everyone, not just me. You kind of start neglecting old friends and family. And I think about my situation. I don't see my friends as much as I'd like, because you know, you're always tired and you've got work to do, or personal stuff, or house stuff. Not cool, man. Need to make more time for your friends and family. So money and work ain't all that. Money does not love you back. So yeah, that's me being wise for the day, I suppose. I'm just happy as a happy biker can be. So I'm now qualified in that specific technology, I suppose you can call it. And a few more exams to come. I think I'll probably come right here again. It was lucky to see the people. It's just a bit easier to get to than another exam center. Well, yeah. So that's it. I don't have much more to talk about except the Afrikaans word. And let's make the Afrikaans word exam. So in Afrikaans, an exam is examen. Examen. Close, exam, examen. Spelled differently. That's the Afrikaans word for the day. And now I need to get my butt back home, log on and check if there's anything I need to do with regards to work. Because I'm actually in fact still working since I finished the exam, so I need to go do some work. Hopefully standbys are quiet this week and weekend. I'm standing in for a friend or another colleague. Yeah. Anyway, thank you. Thought I'd share my little trip today. Oh, look, bike. Where's your light, dude? Anyway, that's me. Keep the rubber on the road. Eyes open, think for the people around you. Ride safe, everyone. Oops. Cheerio.